What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I'm Mike and this is Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing a delicious Christmas dessert, or just a holiday dessert in general. We're going to be making a puff pastry filled with caramel cream and then glazed on top with some cinnamon and sugar glaze, and then top it off some caster sugar. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please remember to subscribe, drop a like and comment, and give your thoughts down below. Stay tuned. Okay, so that was the quickest dessert in human history. It took about 5 minutes to make, prepare and put together. I did preheat the oven to 200 degrees C beforehand, and I left them in there for about 8 minutes. So preparation time plus which are about 13 minutes. Under 15 minutes you can have this delicious dessert prepared for your entire family. Let's give it a taste. You can see you got this beautiful, sorry, pouring some caramel out there. It's nice and soft on the bottom side, nice and crispy on top with a nice cinnamon syrup. Let's give it a bite. It's sweet, it's crunchy, it's got a very lovely texture with it. Aftertaste of the cinnamon, almost tastes like a very caramelly cinnamon bun. Absolutely delicious. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Hold up.